The desert air hung thick and hot, a stark contrast to the icy fear gripping me. I'd chased a rumor, a whisper of a hidden casino, tucked away behind the neon glare of the strip. Following a cryptic map, I navigated crumbling alleyways, the scent of dust and desperation clinging to me. Then, a flicker of light, a single, ornate door, guarded by two hulking figures. My heart hammered. This wasn't on any tourist map. I slipped past them, a gambler's adrenaline surging. Inside, opulence beyond belief. Crystal chandeliers, a roulette wheel spinning under a single crimson spotlight. I won big, then even bigger. But as I cashed out, a shadow fell across the door. I slipped out unseen, the winnings burning a hole in my pocket, the thrill of the escape far outweighing the riches. Vegas, never a dull moment.